How to fix Instagram story video quality. So if you want to fix your Instagram stories video quality, then first you have to open up your Instagram application. And after opening your Instagram, you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. Go to the upper right corner, which has the three bars icon, and then tap on settings and privacy. And here you will have a search bar. Simply tap on the search bar and then search for data. And here you will have, on the first option, you will have data usage and media quality. Simply tap on that. And here you have to simply turn on this option which says upload at highest quality, and you should turn off your data saver. So that's it. That's how you upload higher quality videos on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.